Hi students, how are you all? I know you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about how will you keep your home and your surroundings clean. In the previous class we have discussed about how will you keep yourself clean. Today we are going to learn how will you keep your home and your surroundings clean. All of you open your book, page number 63, EVS book. Okay, now let's start. Look at the book I am reading. Keeping your home clean. How will you keep your home clean? First point is always throw waste in the dustbin. You should always throw waste in the dustbin, not in the road or not in the floor. You should always throw waste in the dustbin. Next point, sweep and mop the floor of the house daily. You should sweep and mop the floor of your house daily. Okay, it keeps us healthy and we will be healthy. Next, do not write or draw on the walls. This is the very important point. You should always maintain that do not write on the wall or do not write or draw on the wall. In the classroom, I have told you, student, do not mark on the wall. It is very bad habit, so you should maintain it. Do not write or draw on the walls. Next, keep your books and toys in their place after using them. Okay, after playing, you should always keep your toys in their direct place. Next, keep your books on their place. After reading, you should keep your book in the right place or proper place. Always flush the toilet after using it. Always flush the toilet after using it. Okay, so write down the points. The first point is how will you keeping your home clean? It is home clean. Home clean. Remember the points I am writing. Throw dust. Throw dust in the dustbin. In the dustbin. In the dustbin. Okay. So look at the point. Throw dust in the dustbin. Next point is sweep and mop the floor daily. Sweep and mop the floor daily. Sweep and mop the floor. Mop the floor daily. Okay. Next point is don't write or draw on the wall. Don't write or draw on the wall. Don't write or do not write or draw on the wall. Okay, and the next point is keep your books and toys in their place. Keep your book and toys in their proper place. In their place. So keep your book and toys in their place after using it. Next, always flush the toilet after using it. Always flush the toilet after using it. Number 5 is flush the toilet. Flush the toilet. Okay, let's read the point. Oh, how will you clean your home? Throw dust in the dustbin. Next, sweep and mop the floor daily. You should sweep and mop your floor daily. Do not write or draw on the wall. You should not write or draw on the wall. This is very bad habit. Book and toys keep your book and toys in their place. You should always keep your books and toys in their proper place after using it. Next, flush the toilet. You should always flush the toilet after using it. Next point is keep your shoes neatly in the shoe racks. You should always keep your shoes neatly in the shoe racks. Don't throw your shoes anywhere. You have to keep your shoe in the shoe rack. So write down and you have to remember these important points. Number 5 is keep your shoes in the shoe rack. In the shoe rack. Okay. Next point is Get the air coolers of your house cleaned regularly. You have to clean the air coolers of your house regularly. Clean air cooler regularly. Okay. Number 7. Keep the washroom floor dry by using a wiper. You should always keep the washroom floor but dry by using wiper. Okay. Next. Dust things at home every day. You should always dust things home every day. Next. Dust things every day. Every day. And next, number 8. Dry washroom floor by wiper, by using wiper. Remember that. Number 9 point is keep the dustbin of the kitchen and bathrooms covered. You should always use covered dustbin for kitchen and bathroom separate. Okay, keep the dustbin of the kitchen and bathrooms covered. You should always cover the dustbin of the kitchen and washroom covered. Always wash them after throwing the garbage from them. Always wash them after throwing the garbage. Number 9. Use covered dustbin. Use covered dustbins. Dustbins for kitchens and washroom. Next, always wash them after throwing the garbage from them. Okay, repeat once again. How will you keep your home clean? Remember that, student. Always throw waste in the dustbin. Always throw waste in the dustbin. Next point is sweep and mop the floor daily. You should sweep and mop the floor daily. It keeps us healthy. Next, do not write or draw on the walls. Do not write or draw on the wall. It is very bad habit. Always remember that. Keep your books and toys in their proper place. You should keep your books and toys in their proper place after using it. Next, always flush the toilet after using it. Always flush the toilet after using it. You should maintain your hygiene. Next, keep your shoes neatly in the shoe racks. Keep your shoes neatly in the shoe racks. Next, get the air coolers of your house cleaned regularly. You should clean your air cooler regularly. Next, keep the washroom floor dry by using wiper. You should keep your washroom floor dry by using wiper. Next point is dust things at home every day. Dust things every day. Next, dry washroom floor by wiper. Next, use covered dustbin. You should always use covered dustbin for kitchen and for washrooms. Next, keep the dust. Always wash them after throwing the garbage from them. Always wash this dustbin after throwing the garbage from them. Okay, next. So we have completed how will you keep your home clean. Next, how will you keep your surroundings clean? Remember the points. Clean surrounding. Okay. How will you keep your surroundings clean? Remember that, student. Always throw waste from your house in a garbage bin. You should always throw waste from your house in a garbage bin, not on the road. Don't throw waste on the road. Okay, it will make the road dirty. Always throw waste from your house in a garbage bin. First point, throw garbage or waste in the garbage bin. Throw waste in the garbage bin. Garbage bin. Not on the road. Okay? So remember the point, clean surroundings. Throw waste in the garbage bin, not on the road. Next point, do not let water collect in any place around your house. Do not let water collect in any place around your house. Next, do not litter the park or play area. Do not litter the park and play area. Litter means throw garbage, throw waste on the road. This is called litter. Do not litter your classroom. You should not litter your classroom as well as your room, as well as your park, play area with pencil shavings. Okay, chalk, paper, bits of food. Throw them in the dustbin. You should always throw them in the dustbin, like pencil shavings. Next, chalk, paper, food bits. All these dust waste are you have to put in the waste bin. Next, keep the chairs, tablets and covers in the classroom neat. You should keep the cupboard, chairs, tables neat and clean. Neat and clean. So you should always keep your cupboard, chairs, tables neat and clean. Okay, in the classroom. Now repeat once again. I am reading this. Listen to it. Always throw waste from your house in a garbage bin. Do not let water collect in any place around your house. Do not litter the park or a play area. Do not litter the park or play area. Next, do not litter your classroom. Do not litter your classroom with pencil shavings, chalk, paper, bits or food bits. Throw them in the dustbin. Keep the chairs, tables, cupboard in the classroom neat. Okay, so we have completed how will you keep your home and how will you keep yourself, your home and your surroundings clean. Now student, look at the exercise. I am discuss about this exercise. The first question is draw smiley face for the activities Ranu did correctly and angry face for wrong activities. Here are two faces. This is smiley face and this is angry face. You have to draw this face for right activities. Okay? Correct click or correct activities and this is for wrong. Okay? Now student, I am writing the question. Ranu washed her hands before eating. First question. Ranu washed her hands before eating. Before eating. Now you tell me, is it wrong or right? Ranu washed her hands before eating. Obviously it is right. So you have to draw smiley face. Next, Ranu left all her toys on the floor after playing. Ranu left all her toys on the floor after playing. Okay, now tell me, Ranu left all her toys on the floor after playing. Is it right or wrong? Obviously it is wrong. You should not left all your toys, all your books on the floor after playing or reading. So you have to draw angry face because it is very wrong. Next, Ranu threw pencil shavings in the dustbin. Ranu threw pencil shavings in the dustbin. In the dustbin. Tell me student, is it right or wrong? Ranu threw pencil shavings in the dustbin. Obviously it is right, so you have to draw smiley face. Okay, next question. Ranu ate a chocolate and threw the wrapper on the road. Number 4. Ranu ate a chocolate and threw the wrapper on the road. On the road. Is it right? After eating chocolate, throw the wrapper on the road. Is it right? What do you think? No, it is wrong. So you have to draw angry face. Okay, next. Ranu and her friends arranged the chairs and tables of the classroom. Number 5. Ranu and her friends. Ranu and her friends arranged the chairs and tables of the classroom. Of the classroom. Now tell me, it is right or wrong? Ranu and her friends arranged the chairs and tables of the classroom. Obviously, it is very good. So you have to write, you have to draw smiley face. Okay? Now student, next question. Fill in the blanks using the given words. In your book, some words are given. You have to collect the correct words and fill in the blanks. Now I am writing the clues. The clues are where, wife, litter, flash, cover. Okay, some sentences are there and there is also blanks. You have to fill in the blanks by using these words. First word is where, wife, litter, flash and cover. Now student, first question is you should not, I am writing, you should not, you should not dash, we should not dash our house, park or classroom with waste. Okay, tell me which one is the correct word for this blank. We should not dash our house, park or classroom with waste. We should not litter. You have to write litter. Litter. We should not litter our house, park or classroom with waste. Next question. We should. You all know the answer. We should dash the toilet after using it. After using it. Tell me, we should dash the toilet after using it. Find out. Where, why, litter, flash, cover. Obviously the answer is flush. So you have to write flush, F-L-U-S-H, flush. We should flush the toilet after using it. Next question. We should use a clean towel. Number 3. We should use a clean towel to dash ourselves. Tell me, which purpose we use towel? We should use a clean towel to dash ourselves. Where? White, litter, flask cover. Why? You have to write why. We should use a clean towel to wipe ourselves. We use towel to wipe ourselves. Next, we should now we have used wipe, flask and litter. Only two are left. Now, number 4, we should dash our mouth and nose with handkerchief whenever we cough or sneeze. We cough or sneeze. Okay, now tell me. We should dash our mouth and nose with handkerchief whenever we cough or sneeze. Tell me, where or cover? We should cover our mouth. It is very obvious. We should cover our mouth and nose with handkerchief when we cough or sneeze. The last question. We should always, number 5, we should always dash clean socks and polished shoes Tell me, which one is left? Wear. So, we should always wear. You have to write wear. W-E-A-R. We should always wear clean socks and polished shoes. Okay. Now, student, that's all for today. I will give you this exercise as homework. Do your homework and bye.